Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Ramya Sri. I am going to deal the subject of programming in C language for degree first year BCom and BSc. In the yesterday session we are completed the data types of C language. Today we are discuss on variables and constants of C language. What is meant by variable? A variable is defined as a meaningful name which is used to store the value. A variable may takes a different values at different places during execution of a program. So every variable can store the single value. That value must be a unique name and these can be changed while during the execution. So the naming of variable having some rules, those are used to define the perfect name for variables. Those rules are the variable name must be begin with an alphabet. The remaining characters are alphabets, digits and underscores. Alphabets are capital A to Z and small a to Z. Then it must be start with the letter or underscore sign. Then the length should be any number of characters. That means the name of the variable, the length of the variable should be any number of characters, but the compiler looks first 8 characters only. Lowercase and uppercase letters are different. The name can take the lowercase is different and uppercase is also different. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Those are tokens. Those not used for an identifier. Those are if else, switch, while, break, etc. The special characters and white spaces are not included as variable names. Some of the valid variables are A, B, SAL, employee number, A105, etc. Invalid variables are X plus Y, 10, 5, S, char, etc. Those are all invalid variables. Then we can go for the declaration of variables. Each variable must be declared before used in the program. The declaration consists of data type followed by one or more variables and end with a semicolon. The syntax for declaration of variables are data type, variable name, semicolon. Example, some data type name, integer, float, character, whatever the data type we have to mention and give the variable name A, comma, B, comma, C. The variables must be separated with the comma. Then we have to mention semicolon at the end of the declaration. So this is the declaration of variables. Then we can go for the initialization of variables. While declaring the variables, we can also assign some value. This process is called initialization. Variables must hold some values. That process we know it as an initialization of variables. The syntax for initialization means data type variable name is equal to data, semicolon. The data type is either it is integer, float, character, double. Which data type we have to mention for the variable, that type will be mentioned here. Then we can give the variable name and also we can assign some value to the variable. So for example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30, semicolon. The 10 holds A value and 20 holds B value, 30 holds C value. These we can initialize the values to the variables. This process we know it as initialization of variables. Then we can go for constants. What is meant by constant? Constants are fixed values that do not change during the execution of program. The C language supports different types of constants here. We have two types of constants. Those are numeric constants and character constant. We go for numeric constant. Here they can be divided into integer constants and real constants. And character constants can be divided into single character constants and string constants. The integer constants can consist either positive or negative values but not allows decimal part. For example, 15 comma minus 15. So it can allows positive value and also negative values. But it does not have any decimal part. Those type of constants we know it as integer constants. Then we can go for real constants. These real constants having the floating point constant that consists of either positive or negative values but allows decimal part. 15.35 minus 12.56 etc. So it can allows either positive values and negative values and also it allows the decimal part. These type of constants we know it as real constants. Then we can go for character constants. A character constant consists of single character or digit or symbol. Must be enclosed within the single quotations. That means in single quotes we can mention A, B, 5, plus, etc. So these type of constants we know it as character constant. Any character that will be mentioned with single quotes. Then we can go for string constant. String means the group of characters. So here a string constant consists of the group of characters must be enclosed within double quotes. In string character constants we can mention the single character in single quote and the group of characters will be mentioned in double quotes in string constants. That is the difference between character constant and string constant. Here hello 1 3 4 5 those all the numbers or digits characters will be displayed in double quotes. So these are string constants. Then declaration of constants having to declare a constant, the constant keyword is placed before the variable declaration and assign it a value. For example, constant const float pi is equal to 3.14. That pi value could not change anywhere in the program. The const is keyword that specifies the value of pi that cannot be changed in entire the program. In these ways we can declare the constants in program. So these are variables and constants are available in C language. Thank you so much for watching.